Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? I am your mathematics teacher from Dar-e-Arqam School, Madinatul Hujaj campus, Gorlamore. Okay class, today we are going to start our mathematics class. Before starting the class, I want to discuss the previous lecture in which we discussed about the set, the definition of set and the form of sets. What is the definition of sets? Recall the definition of set, students. The definition of set is a set is a collection of well-defined and distinct objects. The set is a well-defined and distinct objects. Okay students, now we see the example of sets. First example is the set of cars. Students, these are the cars and we have the 4 cars in a set, so this is the set of cars. Okay, now we move on the next example. This is the set of clothes. Now we have another example. This is the set of parrots. We have the 5 parrots in a one set. You can see that, students. Now we move on the next example. This is the flowers. This is the set of flowers, students. Okay, now we move on the next. These are the counting numbers. These are the counting numbers, no students? This is the set of counting numbers. We have the lots of numbers in a one set, students. So it is the set of natural numbers or counting numbers. These are the some example of the sets. Okay class, now we are going to start our today's lecture, that is about Venn diagram. Venn diagram. What is the Venn diagram, students? Venn diagram is a pictorial representation of a set. A Venn diagram is a pictorial representation of a set. The Venn diagram is named after John Venn, who created the diagram in 1880. It is a graphical or pictorial representation of relationship between different group of things. Okay, a Venn diagram is drawn in the form of circle. Venn diagram is drawn in the form of a circle. It represents any special group or set of objects with a specific quality. All other objects are thought to be outside the circle. Set can be easily understood and represented by a Venn diagram or a set diagram. Okay, now I am going to draw the rectangle. You can see the rectangle here. That is a rectangle. It is a universal set. That it's represent the universal set. Here the universe is everything that a set is dealing with. Okay class, let us we take some example. We have the example, the set of games. Now we show this set in Venn diagram. So let's classify the game into indoor and outdoor games. First, I have drawn the circle and we present the games, outdoor games. First, cricket. Cricket is an outdoor game. You can see that cricket is an outdoor game. Football is outdoor game and hockey is an outdoor game. Okay, now we move on the indoor games. Indoor Ludo is an indoor game. Musical chair is indoor game and carom is also the indoor game. Here we classify the set of games into 2 parts, outdoor games and indoor games. These are the Venn diagram of set of games. So the set of games is a universal set. Okay students? Okay, now we move on our exercise. The exercise is 1C. Question number 1. Name of 5 boys starting with A and names of 5 girls starting with S. First we draw the Venn diagram of 5 boys starting with A. 5 boys starting with A. Okay, first we draw the rectangle. Okay class, first we draw the rectangle, that is shows the universal set. Then we draw the circle for the Venn diagram. Then we draw the circle. In the circle, we write the name of those boys whose names start with A. First is Ahmed, Ali, Awais, Arslan and Abed. Okay. In the universal set, outside the circle, we write the name of other boys. Their names start with any letter like Hamza, Veer, Kabir, Farooq, Kamran and Talha. Okay, class? Now we move on girls. Here we write the name of girls whose names start with S. First, Sana, Saima, Samina, Sadia and Saba. And outside the circle we write the name of other girls like Tahmina, Farhat, Mehreen, Anam, Kulsum and Aisha. Okay class, this is our exercise 1C question number 1 and you will do the next 4 part of this exercise. Okay class, thank you. Note down your diary. Practice of question number 1, part number 2 to 5 of exercise 1C on your rough notebook.